Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Dime Community Bank step by step clearly. To begin the login process for Dime Community Bank, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the official website URL for Dime Community Bank. Once the home page loads, locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will see two fields on this page. The first field is for your username. Click on the username field and enter your registered username carefully. Next, move to the second field, which is designated for your password. Click on the password field and enter your password accurately. Before you submit your login details, check the option to remember your login if desired. Once you have entered both your username and password, click the login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. In case you encounter issues logging in, look for the Forgot Username or Password link. Click on this link to initiate the account recovery process. Follow the prompts to verify your identity and reset your login information. After successfully logging in, take a moment to review your account for any alerts or notifications. Congratulations, you are now logged in to Dime Community Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.